Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. I just got home from work and I want to try out one of my kitchen appliances. I've already done a review video on it. It's my Dash Mini Toaster Oven, but I have a test that I want to try out. I want to see if it's good at reheating and if it will crisp up some old pizza. So we've got our Dash Mini Toaster Oven here, and then I've got some pizza. So I'm definitely going to have to cut the pizza, I believe. Let's see how big the slices are. This is the brand new cauliflower crust pizza at Sam's Club. Life-changingly delicious. I mean, look at how good that looks. Let's see if one slice will fit onto our tray. It does fit. Let's slide it into our toaster oven. Just because I want it to be super hot, we're gonna turn it on 5 and check it. So far it's been like 2.5 minutes and that pizza looks so good. That looks really tasty. Still a little soft, so we'll leave it in. Zena, do you want some pizza? Do you want some cauliflower pizza? Is it gonna be delicious? Is it gonna be delicious? So it was in for 5 minutes. I mean, that looks pretty darn delicious to me. This pizza wasn't super crisp to begin with. Let's see if I can get it off with one hand. The cheese did stick. Oh no, we got it stuck. I mean, a little bit of the crust did stick. That's perfectly fine though. Not a big deal. I'm just gonna let it soak once we're done here. Let's put on our other slice. I mean, it does work pretty well. It's kind of cool how the oven starts off with no lights in there. And then as it gets hotter, it lights up red. And then once it's done, the red light turns off again. But let's try this pizza. I mean, it was life-changing new right out of the case at Sam's Club, but I'm sure it'll be life-changing now. That pizza is so good. You guys definitely need to go to Sam's Club to the cafe and try out the new cauliflower crust pizza. Now this is cauliflower crust, so it wasn't that super crispy to begin with. I do think that it got it super hot. The bottom is toasty. I think it would be a lot more successful if this was like an all gluten crust, or if it wasn't made out of cauliflower. I think it would have gotten crispier, but the edges of the crust got really crispy and the toppings did get crispy too. It worked. Well, I'd say this was a success. Here is our second piece of pizza. Looks super delicious, crispy on the edges. And it looks like it's stuck in the same exact spot. So what I'm gonna do is just take this and I'm just gonna let that soak. Not a big deal. I mean, really, I don't care at all. I don't expect it to be super 100% non-stick. But yeah, if you liked this video, definitely make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. If you want to see us try out this Dash Mini Toaster Oven on some more stuff, tell us about it in the comments. And definitely make sure to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.